Good morning! Today, I joined in a cycling event. After I got my wristband, I was ready to start the cycling event. We started cycling. They have three different distances, one of 65 kilometers, 95 kilometers, and the longest is 155 kilometers. We decided to ride the 95-kilometer distance in the cycling event. We reached 45 kilometers already. We decided to take a break for a while to eat and drink something. We continue pedaling. This morning has a lot of rain. We arrived at the rest stop. Just take a break and eat something. We continue pedaling again. Anyway, this morning, the temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius. The wind speed is currently 10 km per hour from the southwest. Last 5 kilometers. Finally, we're here. We stay at the rest stop for a while during the event and then decided to cycle home before it started raining. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is still nice weather. The temperature has risen from 19 degrees Celsius. It has started raining again. I decided to stop and look for a place where I could shelter from the rain. I am searching for a place where I can wait for someone to pick me up. Finally, I found it. A total distance of 121.47 kilometers. For today, bye for now. See you on my next ride.